Xo'sh, Shamsa qaranglar. Bu rasmda nima ish qilyapti? Okay, they play football. Okay, endi mani bir jumlaga aylantirib beraylik mana. They play football. Ular to'p o'ynayotdi. Shunami? Hozir qilyaptini. Bu yerga nima qilamiz? Are BPL shunami? They are playing football. Okay. Mushu pilning oxiriga nima? ing qatamiz. Shunami? Okay, endi ma'lumchi. Tom read a book. Okay. And the Tom nima ish qilyapti? Kitob o'qiyotdi. Tom uchinchi shaxs birlik. Shunmi yaga Tom is read. Nima qilyapti? ing qatamiz. Tom is reading a book. Tom bir kitob qanday qilyapti? O'qiyotdi. Tom is reading a book. And macho, they watch TV. Okay. And ular nimkilla ikkinchi BPL. They are watching TV. Ular qanday qilyapti? Televizor ko'ryapti. And bucho. He is standing. U o'ri turyapti. Yoki nima turyapti degan gap bor. He is standing. U o'ri turyapti. Nima ish qilyapti? What is he doing? What is he doing? O nima ish qilyapti? He's drinking water now. U hozir nima ish qilyapti? Suv ichyapti. Nima? He is drinking water now. Endi buni savolga aylantirsak qanday desanglar? Is he drinking water now? Is he drinking water? O'xshashlar nima BPL ni oldiga o'tkazib bersak nima bo'ladi desanglar? Bu oddiy savol jumlaga aylandi. Yes, he is. O ichyapti. Shunami? Qaranglar, what is she doing? Endi bir alohida savolga aylantirsak nima? What ni qo'shsak ham bo'ladi. Masalan, what is she doing? U nima ish qilyapti? She's cleaning the house. U uyni qanday qilyapti? Tozalayapti. Demak, she's cleaning the house. U qanday qilyapti? Uy tozalayapti. Okay. Is she doing her homework? Endi u topshiriqni ishlayaptimi? Shunami? No, she isn't. Agar yo'q desak, nima deymiz? Isn't keyin nima bo'ladi? No, she isn't bo'ladi. Okay, no, she isn't. What are they doing? Sizlarning nima ish qilyapti bolalar? What are they doing? Nima ular yugurayotdi, shunami? They are running. They are running. Are they writing? Shunami? And ular bir narsa yozyaptimi? No, they aren't. Yo'q, ular qanday qilmadir? Yozmayapti. They are running. Ular bir narsa yozmayapti, ular qanday qilyapti? Yugurayotdi. Savoldoshlar, bugungi darsning grammatik nuqtasi amshagacha bo'lsin. Okay. And savoldoshlar, bizdan tekst kelaylik. Aniqda where is Sally Jack degan tekstga avval ansam o'shniki anglash qismini, karton filmini bir qisqani ko'rib o'tgandan keyin ansa biz boshlab o'tsak.
Lesson 31. Where's Sally? Listen to the tape, then answer this question. Is the cat climbing the tree?
Where's Sally, Jack?
She's in the garden, Jean.
What's she doing?
She's sitting under the tree.
Is Tim in the garden too?
Yes, he is. He's climbing the tree.
I beg your pardon? Who's climbing the tree?
Tim is.
What about the dog?
The dog's in the garden too. It's running across the grass. It's running after a cat.
And where is Sally? And the Jean where is Sally, Jake? Wait, Sally qayerda, Jake? She's in the garden, Jane. U neredeydi? U gullikda debdi. Men ayral savaranishibdi. He's in the garden. And in the garden deganimiz shu gullik, shunami? So what is she doing? U nima ish qilyapti? Okay. What is she doing? And the doing degan qilyapti, shunami? What is she doing? U nima ish qilyapti? Deb so'rab, shunami? What is she doing? u nima ish qilyapti? Mush jumla intayim o'yin jumla. U nima ish qilyapti? Demakki, bugungi darsimizdagi sizlar faqat bilmasanglar bo'lmaydigan jumla. What is she doing? Desa, she's sitting under the tree. And she's sitting deganimiz nima desanglar, u o'tiryapti. Nara? Under the tree. And she is reading a book. Bo'lsa, u bir kitob qanday qiladi? O'qiyapti. Agar u uxlayapti desak nima deymiz? She is sleeping now. Okay. Demak anda mushu zamonda qanday desanglar, sharkat naq mush so'zlikchi da'vat qilgan vaqtda qanday qiladi? Bo'lyapti. Demak, she's sitting under the tree. U nari o'tiribdi? Bir daraxtning ostida o'tiribdi. Tim in the garden too. Now too much nama. What Tim gulluktamo? They say yes he is. He's climbing the tree. And Tim nim shqotibdi, u daraxtga yamish o'tibdi. He is climbing the tree. Agar u taqqa yamish o'tirdi desak nima aytib qollar? He is climbing the mountain. Okay, and he's climbing the mountain. U nima ish qiladi? Taqqa yamish o'tirdi. And so daraxtga yamish o'tamdu savol shaklicha. Is he climbing the tree? Is he climbing the tree? U daraxtga yamish o'tirdi. Yes, he is. Yo'q bo'lsa, no, he isn't. And u nima ish qiladi desak nima aytadi? What is he doing? What is he doing? Sama? I beg your pardon? Who is climbing the tree? I beg your pardon. I beg degan tilayman. Xuddi tilamchi deganing beggar deymiz, I beg your pardon. Men sizningki qayta bir gapirishimni tilayman. Bu nima intayin rasmiy holatdagi. Bas yana bir dapasini o'pdi. Demakchi, meni bir aybga buyurmay, bir xapolmay, yana bir dapasini o'pdi. Men gapingizni tuzuk bir anglayolmadim ya degan gap shu. I beg your pardon. Odatda nima qisqartib pardon desak bo'ldi. Bu beg texmo. Ayt aqsunliklarcha hamda tulluq deb aytsanglar. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. Who's climbing the tree? Voy chim yamish o'tirdi qattiq ensirab ketibdi-da. Hamda I beg you. Voy dedingiz? Chim yamish o'tirdi? Shunami? Who's climbing the tree? Hayron qolibdi hamda. Chunki hamda kichik bola daraxtga yalmas pokkilashib ketib qolsa. Ya unda ya bunda bo'lib ketmasin deb shunga I beg you pardon. Voy bir xapolmay deb turgan, voy chim yamish o'tibdi. Who is climbing the tree? Who deganimiz kim? Who is climbing? Chim yamish o'tibdi the tree daraxtga. Who is climbing the tree? Demakchi Tim is climbing the tree. And buni savol shaklimasi is Tim climbing the tree? And bu Timning o'rniga who ni almashtirsak, who is climbing the tree? And mush jumla qanday keladi? Mushunday keladi. Qana Tim is climbing the tree. And solga aylansak, is Tim climbing the tree? Ma Timning o'rniga alayt solga aylantirmaydi desanglar, ma jumlani who ni tokkina qo'yitsizlar. Bu who odatda jumlaning nari bo'lishidan qat'iy nazar W yoki H bilan boshlangan savol almashtirib jumlaning eng 5ida keladi. Shung 5ga o'tkazsak nima? Who's climbing the tree? O chim daraxtga yamish o'tirdi. Who's climbing the tree? Desa, Temiz nima? What about the dog? Demakchi, what about the dog? Demakchi, nima ish qiladi? Okay. What about the dog doing? Nima? Nima ish qiladi desa, the dog is in the garden too. Voy, mo narikan gullikdikan. It's running across the grass. It's running. U yuguradi across the grass. Gullikni kesib o'tib yuguradi. And the yo'lni kesib o'tib yuguradi desa, it's running across the road. Road deganimiz R O A D, road. It's running across the road. It's running after a cat. O bir mushukning keyinda qanday qiladi yuguradi. It's running after a cat. It's running after a cat. And the yaraki my key structure in the matter. So I beg you pardon. Wait, yana bir depressionizda qanday qilaman? Demakchi pardon me, yoki nima excuse me, shunami? Pardon me, voy meni bir aybga buyurmang. Yana bir dapasini o'pga yoki excuse me, shunami? Excuse me, mana shu o'xshab qoldi. Nimaga excuse me ni? Birisining diqqatini tortmoqchi bo'lganda excuse me deb ishlatamiz, shunami? Endi bu birinchi darsda. And what are you doing? And what about the dog? And what about the dog? What about you? Deganamda Sizcho degan gap. Demakchi, siz nima ish qilyapsiz? What about sizcho? What about the dog? Ishcho degan gap. And what are you doing? I'm doing exercise. Tushunami? What about your father? Voy dadangizcho. Demakchi, dadangiz nima ish qilyapti degan gap. Okay? U kitob o'qiyapti degandek. Then learn more about trees. Qaranglar. Shu daraxtningki bir necha nimalarga qarab boqaylik. Endi bu yerga under the tree deganimiz daraxt ostida tushunami? Endi family tree deganimiz oila daraxti. Bu nima degan gap desanglar, o'shalik oila nasab nomisi bor bu. Masalan, cho'nglar esa uning ostida uning degan 3 tal bolasi bo'lgan bo'lsa, 3 bolaning ostida yana nima daraxtdek bunda chataqlar menga yuribdimi? Shuni oila nasab nomisi deymiz. Family tree. Family tree. Ama tree ring. Ring degan uzuk shunami, ama halqa. Ana tree ring deganimiz daraxtniki bunda kessanlik chiqargan bunda nima bor, jumlaq. Shu yeshi. Daraxtning shu nimasiga asosan yeshiga ko'p qilamiz-ku, shuni tree ring deymiz. Endi climb the tree bo'lsa, climb the tree daraxtga yamashmoq. Climb the tree. Good. Okay, amsa bugungi darsimiz mushagicha bo'lsin bolalar. Ma grammatik nuqta. Ashaddiy yaxshi takror qilmasanglar bo'lmaydi. Va kishi yaxshi qanaqa o'tanglar, takror qilib o'tanglar. All right, that's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.